Neuroscience has already figured out that the body is the subconscious mind. So the fabulous self is the conscious mind. The conscious mind and the subconscious mind need to be in alignment. But whenever they are not in alignment, they become shadow. They created their own shadows. The fake self came into the scene. But the fake self, the lady in the pink, she's in opposite of the conscious mind. But the one hiding in the dark, the one hiding behind the conscious mind, is the subconscious mind, because she's afraid of herself. When the subconscious becomes shadowed by the unconscious, she turns into the beast, the dark feminine. And that's the part of us we all deny. We don't want to be confronted by the dark feminine, so we hide behind our conscious mind.